How to add stops on Google Maps directions. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add stops on Google Maps directions. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Google Maps on your device. And once you have opened up Google Maps, you need to go ahead and start a direction. So let me just go ahead and find here. I'll just go over here. Select this cafe as my destination, tap on directions, and I'll choose start location from the map. Let's say if I want to go there from this park, I can just select it, tap on OK, and it will show me the route. And if you want to make stops in between, what you do is basically tap an option to add stops, tap on the three dots at the top right, and tap on add stops. Then you can select a destination to add stops. So on this route, let's say if I make a stop on this, I can tap here and then add a stop. Do the same thing again. If I want another stop somewhere in between, again, tap on three dots at the top right on your direction and then add stop again. You can choose destination and choose on map, and you're good to go. So that's how you basically add stops on Google Maps. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.